Hey everybody, Jeff Greenman from Greenman Industries. Today we're at a job site at 6 Wampatuck in Hingham, Massachusetts. I'm going to walk you through this deal, how it came to be, and how to identify a good deal for yourself or one that you might like to invest in. This deal started with a tear-down home. It was ugly, it was falling apart, it had an inch of moss on the roof, and we approached the current owner and said, hey, would you be interested in selling? She said yes. This deal came together with a tear-down home, which cost $700,000. Our building cost in this house was $1.1 million. That's 1.8 total investment. Where do we get the money for this investment? Well, I put up some money and I went out and got investors to put up money. I have a pool of investors that come in, they give $50,000, $100,000, and they let me go to work with it. On this particular deal, we took in over $1 million in outside investment. I set up an LLC to buy the property itself and make sure everyone's squared away. We sign off on everything. We're going to sell this house for $2.6 million, which will leave a profit of $800,000. When you minus out commissions for the realtor and other various costs for closing, we look to net over $700,000 on this property. The return on the $1.8 million is roughly 35% gain, which is a massive gain. We know that interest rates are sky high right now. What do? We bypass the bank completely. We put up cash to buy the house. We sought investors to come in and pay for the build, and we don't have to worry about any carrying costs with a bank, which increases our profit dramatically. That's how I can produce this product and pay my investors top dollar